Hello folks, this is Alexandria LaFaye, your professor in English 160, Intro to Creative Writing. Welcome to the class. This is the D2L page you'll be landing on when you sign in. And I want to remind you that with online classes, it's important to sign in often and to make sure you set aside time to focus on the class. I would say 3 to 5 sign-ins of 30 to 60-minute durations would be a minimum requirement for completing this class. It's also important to look ahead at when things are due and where things are. So, some places to be aware of on D2L, just in case you haven't taken an online class before, and a few reminders and refreshers if you have taken them before. So on the home page, there's a new section where you can see notices from me or from academic assessments, such as the introductory quiz here, which is due by July 10th. This introductory letter is where you'll find the video you're currently watching, and you'll be able to see other important information that shows up on this news page. Now, if you're looking for an overview of the class and the assigned materials and things of that nature, the best place to find them is in content. Under content, you can see that you can find the syllabus here in both a PDF format and a Word format. If you have any difficulty downloading or viewing any element of the class at any time, feel free to let me know and I'll see what I can do to help. Then you'll find the weekly schedule, and in the weekly schedule it gives you an overview of the assignment. It frequently has links to where you can complete the assignment, either using a link to a discussion or a Dropbox. As you see here, we're going to do an exploration draft of your creative writing, and it describes it here, and you can go follow this link to the discussion or follow this link to the Dropbox. You'll be posting it in both locations. Frequently, there is also a clear due date. If there's ever not a due date posted or the date looks funky to you in some way, feel free to let me know and I'll get right on that to get it fixed. The good news about the first week of this class is that if you complete the tasks thoroughly and on time, you get full credit. The bad news is that we're taking a full semester class and shoving it into a 7-week bag, which means you're going to have to do about twice the work you normally would per week each week. And I realize that it's a lot of work, so make sure you carve out time to dedicate to the class. Speaking of, let's look at our textbooks for the class. The Practice of Creative Writing is this one here with the cool carved crayons. It's very similar to the earlier edition, which looks like this black one here. So if you have one or the other, you should be okay, but the page numbers might be a tad different. I would prefer the white copy. Okay. Our other required textbook is from Bloomsbury, and it's this lovely one here. So it would be great if you could have a copy of both books. We're also looking at Shelf Life by Gary Paulson, and that is white with a stack of books on the front cover. Back to our class page on D2L. You'll also find that once I complete a video, I will upload it to YouTube and work on getting it transcribed so that there is a possibility of viewing it with subtitles. And if at any point in the class you have questions or concerns, you can always contact me. It's important, if you look on your communication section, you'll be able to email other people in the class, but you'll also be able to email me, LaFaye, Alexandria. You'll notice that you can also access the discussions here or here. And if you have any further questions or concerns, please let me know as soon as you have them. You can email me and I'll gladly reply. This should be a great class, folks, and I'm really looking forward to it. Write on and write often. Talk to you soon. Bye.